Which chapter of Part 6 of the Indian Constitution is concerned with the state legislature? Part 6, Chapter 3 of the Indian Constitution deals with the state legislature. Which of the following dance forms is inspired by the sculptures of the ancient temple of Chidambaram? Bharatnatyam is inspired by the sculptures of Chidambaram temple. As per Census of India 2011, which of the following states has the highest percentage of urban population in India? As per Census 2011, Mizoram has the highest urban population percentage. In Jain Basti temple of Karnataka, over the Garbhagriha is raised a five-storied Nirandhara Vimana with a square griva and sikhara. With which of the following festival does the 5-day long festival of Diwali end? The 5-day Diwali festival ends with Bhai Dooj. In 1974, M.S. Subbulakshmi became the first Indian musician to win Raymond Magsaysay Award. Seleucus Nicator was a contemporary of Chanakya. With which of the following Amendment Act of the Indian Constitution was 11th Fundamental Duty added? The 86th Amendment Act added the 11 fundamental duties in 2002. In November 2023, who was reappointed as the chairman of the Armed Force Tribunal? Justice Rajendra Menon was reappointed as the chairman of the Armed Force Tribunal. Nival Stephen Joseph D'Souza is associated with which game? Nival D'Souza was a well-known football player. Which two countries was formed as a result of the partition of India? India and Pakistan were formed after the partition of India in 1947. Straight from the Heart is an autobiography of the famous cricketer Kapil Dev. Straight from the Heart is the autobiography of Kapil Dev. What is the stump height of a cricket wicket as per international standards? The standard stump height in cricket is 28 inches. The permanent settlement introduced by Cornwallis was not prevalent in which of the following region of India? Punjab was not included in Cornwallis' permanent settlement system. According to the advancing of monsoon in India, which of the following cities receives rainfall after 15 June every year? Jaipur receives rainfall after June 15 due to monsoon pattern. Which of the following sultans of Delhi set up 3 different markets for different commodities in Delhi? Alauddin Khilji introduced 3 market system for price control. Who among the following dancers won the prestigious Padma Shri Award in the year 2021 for her contribution to folk dance? Mathabi Mazamma Jogati won the Padma Shri for her contribution to folk dance. Which state government of India launched the Swanirbar Nari aim at making the weavers of the state self-reliant? Assam launched Swanirbar Nari to support weaver self-reliance. Which article of the Constitution of India governs the population census? Article 246 governs the population census in India. Bakra Dam is built on which of the following rivers? Satluj River. The zone where earthquake waves are not observed is called the shadow zone. Is the area where earthquake waves are not observed. The number of organisms in the population divided by a regular unit of area or volume is called population density. Is the number of organisms per unit area or volume. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon, but evaporation occurs only on the surface. The iodine value of oil and fat indicates the iodine value measures the degree of unsaturation in fats and oils. Identify the primary characteristic of the Cooperative Development Foundation model of self-help groups regarding its focus on membership from the following. The CDF model of SHGs includes both poor and non-poor members.